Welcome to H2O. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic on string theory, dimensions and the Vedas. String theory is a theoretical framework in physics that attempts to reconcile general relativity and quantum mechanics by proposing that the fundamental building blocks of the universe are not point-like particles, but tiny, one-dimensional strings that vibrate in multiple dimensions. One of the most fascinating aspects of string theory is its prediction of extra dimensions of space beyond the three that we experience in our everyday lives. While we typically think of space as having three dimensions, length, width, and height, string theory suggests that there may be additional spatial dimensions that are hidden from our perception. In most formulations of string theory, there are 6 or 7 extra dimensions beyond the familiar 3. These extra dimensions are typically assumed to be compactified or curled up in such a way that they are too small to be observed directly. The concept of extra dimensions is not unique to string theory, but string theory offers a unique way of understanding the behavior of these dimensions. In particular, string theory suggests that the properties of the universe we observe are determined by the geometry of the extra dimensions, and the ways in which the strings vibrate in those dimensions. The Vedas are the oldest texts of Hinduism and contain a vast collection of hymns, prayers, and philosophical teachings. While the Vedas do not specifically address the concept of dimensions in the same way as modern physics or mathematics, they do contain insights and teachings that could be interpreted in a way that resonates with the concept of dimensions. One example is the idea of Brahman, the supreme reality or ultimate truth that is the foundation of all existence. In Hinduism, Brahman is often described as infinite and all-encompassing, existing beyond the limits of time and space. This could be interpreted as having aspects that go beyond the 3 dimensions of space that we experience in our everyday lives. Another example is the concept of Maya, the illusion or appearance of the physical world. According to Hindu philosophy, the physical world that we experience is not the ultimate reality, but rather a manifestation of Maya. This concept suggests that there may be dimensions or aspects of reality beyond what we can perceive with our physical senses. Furthermore, the Upanishads contain teachings on the nature of the self and consciousness that could be seen as having implications for the concept of dimensions. For example, the Upanishads suggest that the true self or Atman is infinite and boundless, existing beyond the limitations of the physical body and the material world. This could be interpreted as suggesting the existence of dimensions or aspects of reality beyond what we can experience through our physical senses. One concept found in the Vedas that has been interpreted in modern terms as a multidimensional understanding of reality is the idea of the lokas or realms. The Vedas describe multiple lokas or planes of existence, ranging from the physical world of humans to the celestial realms of the gods. These realms are described as existing on different levels of consciousness or vibrational frequencies, and the beings that inhabit them are said to have different levels of spiritual development. While the concept of lokas may not correspond directly to the scientific concept of dimensions, it does suggest a multi-layered and complex understanding of reality that is not limited to our everyday experience of the physical world. Additionally, the Vedas describe the concept of the Atman, or the true self, which is said to exist beyond the limitations of time and space and is ultimately identical with the divine. Thanks for watching. Please let me know your comments and what you think of this subject. I will be doing a detailed video on dimensions in the near future. If you find my videos interesting, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications.